now that my web-based application is published and live now. I hope you guys all enjoy it and it helps you with all the needs that I planned on helping you guys with. If you have any requests that you would like me to add to it or things that should be different, just let me know and I can definitely edit that for you guys. This is for the community. It has flashers. It's got Meshtastic, Bruce, Space Hunt's web flasher, so you can just flash anything you want to flash onto your ESP32. This thing literally makes it so you can choose the ESP32 you want to use. You choose whatever modules you want to use, which there's many of them. There's even a category area where you can choose to skip through some of them. You go down, and next is a wiring view. It shows you everything. This is an analyst. There's issues, GPIO map, power, components, wiring, and each one of the sections tell you what you need for that. Like this one will give you a good little idea of what you're going to come across. This one will give you the issues you're going to come across. This one gives you a map of your GPIO, the stuff you're going to, like what kind of power draw it's going to take, what kind of components you're going to need with it to make it run efficiently. It gives you the wiring of all them to your ESP32. So just utilize it, guys, and let me know if there's anything I should change.